Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt at home. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients like milk and a starter culture, along with some basic kitchen tools. The process involves heating the milk, cooling it down, and then introducing a live culture. Finally, you'll let it incubate for several hours. It's a simple and rewarding process that results in delicious, fresh yogurt. To begin, pour 1/2 gallon of milk into a saucepan and heat it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. This step helps denature proteins, creating a thicker yogurt. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the heat and cool it down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. An ice bath can speed up this cooling process significantly. Now that your milk is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the starter culture. Take 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Gently whisk this starter into the cooled milk, ensuring it's thoroughly combined. This introduces the beneficial bacteria that will transform your milk into yogurt. Proper mixing is key for consistent results. With the starter added, transfer your mixture to a clean container and incubate it for 6 to 8 hours, maintaining a consistent temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. A yogurt maker or an oven with a pilot light works well. Once it's set, refrigerate the yogurt for several hours to chill and thicken. Then, your delicious homemade yogurt is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.